Hi, today we discuss about how to become a Grad IOSH member. So in this video, we will discuss introduction about IOSH grade, understanding the role of an IOSH grade member, and meeting the basic requirements, as well as application and fees charges process. So in introduction, IOSH Institution of Occupational Safety and Health is globally recognized professional body dedicated to promoting and enhancing health and safety practices in the workplace. One of the membership category is the Grade IOSH membership, designed for individuals who have completed the necessary academic qualification in health and safety and are on their way to becoming chartered member CM IOSH. What is the grade membership? Grade IOSH membership is an intermediate level of membership that recognize individual who have achieved a high level of academic qualification in occupational health and safety. It is the key step towards achieving chartered membership, which is the highest level of IOSH membership. Benefit of IOSH grade membership: professional recognition. Being a grade IOSH member signifies that you have meet the educational standard required by IOSH, enhancing your professional credibility. Access to the resources. Members have access to wide range of IOSH resources, including research papers, best practices, guides, and online tools to support their professional developments, as well as the networking opportunity. Grade member can attend IOSH event, conference, and seminar, providing opportunity to the networking for the networking, like unit events, etc. Benefit of IOSH grade member: continuous professional development. IOSH offers a structured CPD program to help member to stay up to date with the latest development in health and safety. Monthly magazine. Members receive a safety, health, and practitioner magazine, which contain news, articles, and case studies on current health and safety topic. Grade IOSH members receive guidance and support from experienced professionals to help and promote their chartered status. Requirement for the grade is a qualification. To qualify the grade IOSH membership, you must have completed relevant degree level qualification in health and safety that is accredited by IOSH. Example include bachelor degree or a postgraduate diploma in occupational health and safety. Here I want to say, when you are going to apply or going to start any qualification, and in your mind, I am become a grade IOSH, a chartered member. So before going to any qualification, please check approved or authorized degrees on the IOSH website. All resources, all courses, all vendors who are approved there are listed in IOSH website. So before going to any education, so at the moment, unfortunately, in the industries, many malpractices and different provider providing different qualifications, and all said yes, oh, my qualification is approved. You can get easily with the different malpractices, you can get IOSH, grad IOSH membership as well as chartered. So it is not possible. So please be professional before going to any getting qualification in the mind. Uh, I want to achieve grad IOSH as well, or as well as chartered membership. Please go to the directly IOSH website and check the educations or studies you can find there. If you're not sure, please ask the person the close to you who have a chartered member or grade member of IOSH, he can guide you. Initial professional development, IPD. After becoming Grad IOSH member, you must undertake IPD process. This involves demonstrating your practical experience and competence in health and safety through various assessment and projects. So in IPD, when you request to promote to chartered membership, your IPD is open after paying the certain fees, uh, and then you have to be fulfill the IPD requirement. So this is different for different kind of studies. Like if you going through diploma, NIBOSH diploma, or other bachelor degree or postgraduate diploma, the IPD process is different. If you going the route NVQ, etc., so there are IPD process is different. So check before these process before starting this IPD process. Maintaining a CPD, Grad IOSH member are requirement maintain a record of their CPD activity. CPD, when you are starting your membership, CPD is open for you. So your all activity, what you are doing for doing in day-to-day business, it should be a log properly in the CPD. When you are requesting to IOSH for chartered membership, they audit your CPD. So this is auditable CPD, continue professional development. So when you're putting in anything to this CPD, make sure this is a proper and follow the requirements. If any question, any doubt, you can ask me in the notes. I am also chartered member, so I can guide you. Application process. Complete the online application form on the IOSH website, providing details of your academic qualifications and any relevant experience. Supporting documents, submit copies of your degree, certificates, and any other relevant document as required. Pay membership fees, pay to applicable membership fees as a part of the application process. When you are affiliate, you one by step from affiliate, you can directly go to the request for grad member, and then from grad you can directly request for chartered member. So there are certain fees which you have to pay. Once the application is approved, you are enrolled to the IPD process. As I already mentioned, the IPD process is different for the people who are the path is NIBOSH diploma or graduate degree, etc. And those are doing NVQ, their path is different. Who should consider IOSH grade membership? Practitioners who want formal recognition of their academic achievements and are committed to continuing their professional developments. Uh, Aspiring chartered member, those who aim to achieve the highest level of IOSH membership, CM IOSH, and are ready to undertake the IDP process. In the conclusion, I can say the Grade IOSH membership is a valuable step for health and safety professionals aiming to demonstrate their academic achievements and commitment to professional excellence. By joining as a Grade IOSH member, you gain access to a wealth of resources, networking opportunities, and professional developments program that can help you advance your career and progress towards charter membership. Thank you very much. This is it for our today video. So next video is for the chartered membership. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Please like, share, comments on the video. This is encouragement. My channel is not monetized channel, so I don't get any pay. This is just what I have, I share with you. So if any question or any comments is welcome. I want to learn from you. So if anything you want to ask, please share with me in comments. Thank you very much.